Hi, Quentin from Green and Gold here. Uh, Director Ted Bolton's been spinning the resource model around ahead of our resource upgrade and our next phase of drilling. I'll hand over to Ted to walk you through it.
Hello, Ted here from Green and Gold Minerals. We had a strong drilling campaign last year, so let's check out where we're at. The drill season is just around the corner and we're gearing up for another go. The Mt Wandoo project is not too far from Mungana, which is an idle mill. So you can see there is our existing resource, 32,000 ounces. We have two main hills there, Little Wandoo and Big Wandoo. There is a creek to the west of our project. We don't think it's going to be a problem. Plenty of room for an open cut in there. Now, the resource sits on Mt Wandoo, Little Wandoo, which you can see there is outside of the resource. There's two main trends, both of which are open, a long strike and a depth, and we look forward to including that in the resource and targeting those further. On the main hill, the drilling program last year was both infill and extensional, but in infilling, there were a number of gaps in the model that just didn't have any data. And some of those are producing pretty good results, such as 6 meters at 11. And they've also extended it at depth, so they were very worthwhile. Down the southern end of the big hill, a couple of those holes there did very well in model gaps and also at the end of the model to the southeast. And so we're very pleased with those. Now, the main resource is open down plunge to the southeast, where it goes underneath the little hill, the Little Wandoo. And we aim to target that further with the next round of drilling. We've got some very good grades in the last line of holes there. Up the north of the resource, one little success is I think it's probably delineated an east-west trending lode there. We've hit that with two holes. We look forward to targeting that further. And then further north of that, we have the North Wandoo mineralisation. It's currently not in the resource, but there's a few good hits there. Thank you.